tire of some sort, and it probably belonged to some kind of like monster truck. Like, look at the size of this thing.
It really is big.
27.0 R49 XR tire.
So after we got home, we did some research and we looked up this tire to see what it might have been used on. And one of the things we found was this 777 off-highway truck from Caterpillar that uses this tire. And we scroll down here the specifications of the tires, and we can see that the standard tire for this vehicle is 27R49, the same one that we saw in the field there. So what's really neat when you do look at some of the pictures of this vehicle, it is really big. So take a look at this thing and some of the photos of it doing its job, doing its work. So you can imagine when it was out there probably building that golf course or working on some other things that maybe the tire got damaged and they just left it there. But look at this thing, it's just massive. Pretty cool that we get to see a tire like that. This is us walking back to our bikes. This is where we found the tire. It was over there.
So big, you can
And this is the Tribute Golf Course. That is the green wall thing at the 18th hole.
the last one.
Here's our bikes. Saddle up. Okay. He's just doing a little lookout here. See if he can see anything else interesting.
I didn't see anything over there. So we just came across the lake.
Yep.
And that looks like a hole.
Yeah, light pole. Probably telling the boats.
Doesn't
There's
even
this edge.
look like it's in the ground.
So you can see the sun's starting to set. We gotta get rolling back to the car. We wanted to do a quick video out here at the end of this trail just to show people what it was like once you get to the very end.
And as you can probably see, it's winter because we're pretty bundled up.
And there's no leaves on these trees.
Yeah.
But it's so pretty. Alright, let's
This
roll out.
reminds me kind of.
A lot of lights over there.
This reminds me kind of of our camping trip.
Yeah, we were looking out on the
by a
same.
lake.
Yeah, this is Lake Louisville.
We were by a lake, and
This is the same lake, yep. We were on a different part of it.
there's a lake. This lake. We were about over there.
We were over in that area, yeah.
Later into the night, when we started to go to sleep at about 10, it just started thundering, and our tent kind of blew down, and our stuff got wet, and then we had to go back.
But it was an adventure, right?
But at least we don't live that far away, so.
Okay, over and out. Quick video of the trail that we're on right now. We're up at number 7 out here by the very edge of the lake. And you can see we are all the way back to number 1 there. So we gotta get going. There's our quarter-mile mark. Oh, we didn't cross it. So this is the entrance to the Tribute. This is where this trail starts. We made it out. And there's beautiful sunset right there.